jumping right into my video, as I like to do now, I just washed my hair and it is doing its beautiful fluffy dance today. So I want to do this beautiful look with you ladies. I am going to be using the Lids by Design to show you how you can transform your eyelids. If you have droopy eyelids, asymmetrical eyelids, eye surgery like I do, or I did for the neurofibroma, I have a video that I will link here. I launched this product in the summer. I've had such great response from you. I did a great video with Britton Todd, the owner and creator of Lids by Design. She is such a great before and after. I don't want to say model because she is the reason why she created this company, and it is a dramatic difference to your eyelids. I know a lot of us will look in the mirror in the morning and be like, what's happening? Like, what's going on? I know 2020 is a year we don't want to ever repeat, but like, what's going on? Is it all of these layers of stress and just worry and aging and being home and looking at ourselves in the mirror? Like, what's going on? So I have looked at myself and thought, gosh, I look so tired. Like, it's not like I haven't slept, or have I been on the computer too long editing, or did I have too much rosé? Like, what's the problem? And, you know, I just love the fact that I have an option to correct, whether it's a little subtle lift and that makes me feel good, whether you have extreme hooded eyes that are causing an eyesight vision issue. These are all different reasons why you would use these strips. And it is a great, affordable way to instantly change your look. And so that's what we're going to do today. So I am going to start off with doing my whole makeup routine so you can see that, and I'm going to show you how I place the Lids by Design on my eye. So first, let me cover what they are. If you are new and didn't see the video where I will link above that you can review with Britton and how we met and through HSN and all this kind of stuff, which was really, really fun. So we sell on my website, we sell the assortment package. So basically, it's kind of like, think of it as a push-up bra, right? This is a push-up bra for your eyelids. So you have multiple different millimeters for a different effect. So 4 millimeter subtle, 5 millimeter casual, 6 millimeter, 7 millimeter more dramatic. So you have an option when you get the little kit, and it has a little applicator in it, but we do sell the needle nose contours RX little tweezers. It helps to basically really be precise when you're picking up the lid off the pad. So this is what it looks like. These are actually the largest size. And then I have my little guys here that I've been using, and I really love them. I felt like the 4 millimeter just gave me just enough lift that really made me feel great. And it really, you know, just gave me that I looked like I slept for a week, and that is what I was going for. So this is a really natural look. I'm going to start off first with my B5 eyelid prep pads. These are going to exfoliate your eyelids. These are going to hydrate, protect, brighten your eyes. You know, it's funny, when I actually first started showing these, everybody's like, oh my gosh, I've never thought about exfoliating my eyelids. Meanwhile, we exfoliate our whole face, we hydrate our face, but our poor eyelids are being left out. They're looking very oily and kind of, you know, dull and gray because of all of the dead skin. So these are 5 packs. These come in little 5 packs that are kind of like on the go travel weekend. We have 45 count in a jar coming out next week, which is wonderful. So these we still have on our website. They're sold out everywhere. So just so you know, we still have these in stock, which I think is amazing. But we have the 45 count, which will come like in the all-made pad, just like this. You keep it on your vanity. You can use one and then throw it away. So you don't always have to be opening something. So I'm going to just exfoliate my eyes. This is what I do for this look because I want nothing to be on my eyelids. I want super, super prepped, no oil, no dead skin. I want those pads to go on perfectly and smooth and stay on all day. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to start on my eyelashes. I'm going to really concentrate on my eyeliner, my brows. That's really important for me because it's not about wearing eyeshadow and kind of competing with creating this beautiful look for your eyes. That's just my opinion. I have used Bottled Blonde wearing the pads, but I really want that really fresh look. I want my eyelashes to be the main focal point. You know, I work with my serum that I have for 3 or 4 years now. I love this eyelash serum that really helps my lashes grow. And so I'm first going to take my Shu Uemura eyelash curler and I'm going to curl my lashes because this is my little technique of getting my lashes as curled and up as possible. And then I will go in with my heated eyelash curler. But first, I want to be able to get that bend, kind of get them up. Then I'm going to go in with my dark brown. This is my dark brown cream eyeliner. It is so beautiful. It goes on so nice, so easy. So I have a brush that's basically built into the top. So I'm going to just take a little bit of this, and I really want to have more of a line on my lash line, because this is all about making my eyes look the best that they can. So do you see how nice and creamy this is? This just goes on so beautifully. Feels so good on really, really close to the lashes. So you can see I'm already building up that beautiful eye, and I'm not taking up any of that, what I like to call eyelid real estate, right? Not making a really thick, I need as much eyelid. I'm not making a really thick liner because I really want to have that beautiful open-eyed look. You can soften up the line if you want to with the nice short dense brush. This is the one I'm using out of my essential makeup brush kit that I have here that I created for you, which is really simple, really easy, and it's really nice and soft. That's what you want, because you don't want to drag across your eyelids that are already very delicate. You just want something nice and smooth that's going to really be able to smooth out that liner for you and do it precisely. Next, I'm going to take my Chanel mascara, and this is the Voluminous mascara. So I kind of rotate between the Chanel, my mascara, where it really gives me that nice tight teeth to really pull out my lashes and go on the bottom. So I'm going to just really concentrate on the base of my lashes, working up to the top. Another nice tip that I haven't mentioned in a long time, I don't know if I even mentioned it, but you know I love the Almay pads for an eye makeup remover. Almay has eraser sticks. These are gentle oil-free little Q-tips that are loaded with eye makeup remover. And then you just, where there's a little line on this Q-tip here, you crack that, and then all of the liquid inside will drain to the bottom, and you can use it to clean up different areas of your eye if you want to. So say you got your mascara, since you've been using a lash serum and they're so long that they touch the top, or you get mascara somewhere, just have it so it's all the liquid has just gone down into this Q-tip, which is so great. This is one of my favorite tricks. And then you can just use it to clean up anything on the top of the lid. So you had, you know, some mascara like right there that got there. So you don't have to kind of get all crazy, and it easily just cleans up everything. So now I'm going to take my heated eyelash curler and I'm going to just mold my lashes back. This is the best way to get your lashes to stay up all day long. I just came out with this heated eyelash curler and I'm so thrilled with it. It is so beautiful and it's under $20. It is the best tool if you really want your lashes to stay up and look gorgeous all day. I'm just going to take my brow clear fix and I'm just going to groom my eyebrows a little bit. I did clean up the bottoms of them recently, so they're just to give me a little bit more of that brow bone. So I had a little lift at the ends, which has really helped with opening up my eye. Going in with prepping my skin with my Embryolisse. This is for all skin types. I love this product. Every single professional makeup artist swears by this product. This is why I bought it, because it was always being used on me, and I thought, you know what, I need to have this product and really test it out month after month, and I love it. It's a very healing cream. You can use it as a little bit of a mask. I'm putting this on in a thin layer, so it's going to prep my skin for my foundation. I'm going to just prep my lips a little bit more with the Smooth from Ever. This is Clean Beauty. This is a peptide moisturizing, hydrating treatment for my lips. I always need a lip treatment on lately. My lips have been so dry. Going in with my Lighten Up. This is a brightening concealer. I'm going to really just concentrate on this inner corner here. As you can see, this grays underneath, this is all of this here. I'm just going to kind of work it on my skin, and I'm not going overboard with it. I just need to really cover all that darkness and lighten up this area because it's all about my eyes today. Going in with my buffing brush, foundation brush, I'm going to work it into the skin just like this, working it in. You can take your beauty blender if you want to, that's damp also, and work this into the skin, but I like to buff it into my skin and have it look like it's one with my skin, not sitting on top of my skin. Refreshed, brighter. I really, really love this concealer. Now I'm going in with a new foundation that I picked out. Nordstrom had a sale. I'm always stocking Nordstrom for their beauty sales, and I've been wanting to try this because I've been reading the reviews on the Chanel lightweight foundation. It is absolutely beautiful. It actually blew me away because I wasn't expecting it to be so amazing, as in felt so good on the skin. It's more of a matte finish, but I really, really like it. So it's ultra light skin perfecting sunscreen makeup SPF 15. So this is the Vitamir Aqua. I know I'm saying that wrong, but you just need such a little bit, and it says that too on the website. It says you just need like a drop. So I really like, you can apply this with the buffing brush, but I really like applying it with the fingers. It's really nice. I'll tell you what's, and I happen to get the right, you know, it has rose, it says rosé in it. 32 beige rose. So that's the color I got. It matches perfect. You can see how beautiful and light it is. Just gonna work it onto my skin a little bit over what I just put on a little bit over the concealer, and then I'll set it with a powder. So you can see that was one little drop that I did. I had a little bit left for my whole face. It's amazing. I really, really think that this is a great product. Yes, it's more expensive. I use one drop. This is going to last me at least 4 months. So cost per wear is definitely on the up and up, right? All right, so let's go into doing a little bit of powder. I have here my HD pressed powder, triple milled, beautiful, nice and silky. I'm gonna just take a little bit on my brush here, and I'm gonna go underneath my eyes, just setting. Usually I like to set in my T-zone area here, just for any extra shine. All right, so now I'm going to go into Mood Changer, a beautiful, beautiful blush palette I came out with for fall. And I really, really love this because I'm changing my mood when I use these lid strips, right? I'm changing the way that I feel, the fact that I don't feel tired and feel like my eyes are heavy and what have you. So I like to customize a little bit. I just like to go across these two depending on, and I can pop it with that extra really nice bright rose color. But I just want it to be buffed into the skin so it looks really, really natural. It looks like it's just part of my coloring. It's not like a big stripe. So I like to swirl around so you can ladies see that it's not going back and forth like this. I like to take it and really work it and swirl so it's just really worked into the skin. So now I'm going to be using a kohl lip pencil in the color Silk. I love this. It's very, very natural. It is such a beautiful color. So if you're looking for something that's more in the pink family but natural, it's not going to be a big, you know, lip liner color for you. It's very, very pretty. This is something new that I just came out with, I think in August, I think I launched this. So I'm going to just line my lips. Also, I have used this as a lipstick. So I have just lined my whole lip and then put on a clear lip gloss or mentha lip gloss, a little bit of that peppermint infused essential oil. It's just beautiful. I'm gonna go in though today with Worth It. This is a really beautiful color, and also, you know what, it makes me feel like, you know, I am worth it. I am worth getting up in the morning and putting makeup on. I am worth, you know, trying different things and making myself feel better, feel more, you know, refreshed. And that's what I love about this really pretty natural lip color. Every time I see it, I'm always like, you know what? I am worth it. I am worth it. And I love that mantra. I mean, isn't that just a natural, beautiful, really, really pretty color? I love this one, and I love Pretty Smart. They're really, really pretty. I think I have that one here too. I'm gonna put a little bit of Champs, which is my champagne topper, my lip gloss on every lipstick. I love using this just to kind of give me a little bit more of a refreshed lip. Now I'm gonna be taking my needle nose tweezers, and I'm gonna be taking my 4mm eye strip. This is my Lids by Design, and I'm going to just take it off the pad, and I'm going to place it on my eyes, or I'm going to place it on my right eye first. So basically I'm going to see where it folds and how I want to keep my eye up, my lid up. So first I'm going to see where exactly I want to put it. So I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to have it melt right into my eye and keep my eyelid back. So you're gonna look at this one. I want you to see, this is my real problem for me and how I feel. So this here, this extra skin that comes down, I don't like. I wanna see more lid. So I'm going to take another one of my pads, and I'm going to take it off and make sure I'm being very careful not to disrupt the end of it. I have it here on my tweezer. I'm gonna look and figure out where I need that where I really need that lift on my eye. So I'm going to look in here, place it on my eye, make sure it's on, and then lift back. I mean, I am so happy right now. Lift my lids back, make them tight, make them open, make them wide. Literally, I wake up in the morning and I say, I cannot wait until I can put these on because I feel refreshed. I feel like it is time to start the day, do my hair, do a little bit of flat iron on the frizzies, and really feel like I can bring my best eyes and face forward. So ladies, I hope that you enjoyed this very simple tutorial. It's changing your eyes, changing your mood, changing your life with a product that you probably never knew about or knew was on the market, or could really help you achieve that confidence, achieve that lifting gravity using a little support bra, little push-up bra for your eyelids. And until my next video, I'll see you later. So here is a little bonus after the video, if you're still with me. I'm gonna take off the left eye strip so you can see what happens to my eye when I take it off. So this is what I forget that I have them on during the day. I'll actually be in the shower and I'm like, oh, that's right. I have the Lids by Design on still. So I have the pad here, brings back my eye, brings back that skin. I love this look. So when I take it off, right, I'm always so bummed because I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take it off, and I have now, do you see how it comes down? This is a little bit not so refreshed, and that's exactly why I use the 4mm. It's a subtle lift for me. It makes me feel good, but I see dramatically for me, do you see that skin? All the skin just piles up here, and I don't have that really fresh actual lid. So it does make, no matter if you need a slight variation of lift or if you need a lot, it is a dramatic result, and it is so worth it. So I'm glad that you were here to just see me take that off and kind of see the skin and what really happens when it comes off. Whether it's subtle, whether it's a lot of skin, doesn't matter. It's how you feel and how it makes you feel during the day. So I'll see you later. Bye.